You will be amazed to see what happens when you attach a capsicum to a plant trunk. It may sound strange, but this simple trick can completely transform the way your plants grow and protect themselves. Nature often hides its most powerful secrets in the most ordinary things, and this one comes straight from your kitchen. Take one fresh capsicum, also known as bell pepper. Cut it carefully down the middle, but make sure you don't cut it all the way through. Leave a small strip of skin attached so it stays connected, like a natural pocket. This small detail is important for the magic to work. Now go to your plant and gently place the opened capsicum around the lower part of its trunk. Use a soft thread to tie it, not too tight, just enough to hold it in place. Over the next few days, the natural oils and aroma from the capsicum will slowly release into the soil and air around the base. This acts as a natural shield, helping to repel harmful insects and keeping fungal infections away. At the same time, beneficial microbes around the roots begin to thrive, giving your plant extra strength and vitality. The result? Healthier stems, greener leaves, and stronger growth. Try this once and see the difference for yourself. Nature always rewards those who understand its simple secrets, one capsicum at a time.